Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to merge disk partition in Windows 11. So if I open my file explorer, you will see I have this drive which I want to merge with this F drive. So in order to do that, firstly close the file explorer and here we need to type in the search bar computer management. Just open this one here and right here we need to click on disk management, and as you click here you will able to see all of the drives which are available on your PC. So basically I have two disks, this one is my SSD and this one is my hard disk, and here in the hard disk I want to merge this volume with this F drive. So in order to do that we need to delete the volume of the drive which we want to merge with another drive. So this is the drive right here which I want to merge with my another drive. So firstly we need to delete the volume. So before you delete, make sure that this is going to be deleted permanently. So whatever if you have put it on this drive, you need to move that to your another drive and then delete this. So I have already moved my files to my another drive, so I'm just going to delete it. So for that hit right click and here we need to click on delete volume, click here on yes, and yeah, here you can see we have deleted the drive. Now it's time to combine it. I want to combine this drive with this drive, so I'll just select it, hit right click, click on extend volume. Here we need to click on next, again click on next here and just click on finish, and yeah, here you can see it is now combined. If I just close this and again open my file explorer, you will see that the drive is gone and it is combined with our F drive. And yeah guys, that's how you can merge disk partition in Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.